In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Find My iPhone when it's not working, helping you resolve any issues you may have with the Find My app on your iOS device. So let's dive right in to ensure you can always locate your devices without any hiccups. First and foremost, let's start with checking your internet connection. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, a stable connection is critical for the Find My app to function correctly. If your internet is not working properly, the app will have trouble updating location information. Ensure that your device has a strong connection. If issues persist, try restarting your router or contact your service provider for further assistance. Next, verify that location services are enabled on your iPhone. This is essential because Find My relies on the location settings to pinpoint your device's whereabouts. To do this, head over to your settings, then tap on privacy and security. From there, you'll see the location services option. Make sure it's switched on. This allows the app to send and receive your location data effectively. Now let's make sure that Find My iPhone is indeed enabled on your device. For this, go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, and then select Find My. Within this menu, look for Find My iPhone and ensure it's toggled on. This step is crucial for the app to perform as expected, giving you the peace of mind that your device can always be located. If everything seems to be set correctly but you're still encountering issues, a simple restart might do the trick. Restart both your iPhone and any other device you're using to track it. Often, a quick reboot can resolve minor glitches or software kinks that might be hindering your app's performance. Updating your iOS to the latest version is another critical step. Outdated software can often cause compatibility issues with apps, including Find My. Navigate to Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. If there's a new version available, go ahead and install it to ensure that your device runs smoothly and without errors. Should the problem continue, try signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in. Go to Settings, select your Apple ID and choose to sign out. Once you've completed this, sign back in with your credentials. This action can resolve issues related to account synchronization that might affect app performance. Also, check Apple's system status page to confirm there are no outages affecting Find My. Occasional server downtimes can lead to temporary disruptions, and knowing whether the issue lies with Apple's services can save you time troubleshooting on your own. Finally, if nothing else works, resetting your network settings could be the answer. To do this, head to Settings, select General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, and finally Reset Network Settings. This will refresh your connections and might resolve any persistent issues plaguing the app. By following these detailed steps, you should have a seamless experience with Find My iPhone, ensuring that your device is never lost for too long. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps resolve any issues you're facing with the Find My app on your iOS devices.